jet down. Guaranteed this gon' hurt you, didn't hurt me. While you controlling my page, y'all start letting them thirsty. Got my stocks way up, I've been happy soon. Thought a nigga would be washed up, but you couldn't have been wronger. Cause what don't kill a real nigga make them all y'all niggas big car bars, big rides, loud checks, everything right through you. Fuck a cosign, you dick rides, you weirdo, everything right through you. That's why I stay away and do what I do. I never get this right from your home and make a structure. I still rank shit down the toilet, fucking roster. Niggas IG hopping on Instagram. Well, like my post, turn around and like the post, this is my fan. Silent competitor, smile in your face and talk shit. And that bitch you talking to got at a nigga real quick. Oh, is that what he said? I must be a threat to these niggas that push a nigga dead. But I be laughing at you porch runners. Industry niggas act funny when they think they got his money. I'm on one, stay smashing, I gotta have it. I'm wetter than a pool in colors, give me my money. And these niggas knew about Gucci long time ago. I wanna burn up this shit like they some fucking hero. Different votes for different votes. I'm King Coca, but you the king of the OG. Horribles, big rides, loud checks, everything right through you. Fuck a cosign, you dick rides, you weirdo.